So hi everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. In this video we will see NIACL 2018 Prelims Memory Based Paper Part 2. So in the first part we have seen arithmetic questions as well as approximation question. In this video we will see two set of DI and wrong number series, right? So first set was like this. The table given below shows the number of domestic and imported crockery items sold by a shopkeeper in 5 different years. Study the below table carefully to answer the following questions. Total units sold is equal to imported grocery item plus domestic grocery item. So different years are there: 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. And imported crockery items are there, and then domestic crockery items are there. And based upon that, they have asked questions. So we will directly see the questions here. Right. So we will see the first question here. Find the ratio of imported crockery items sold in 2014-15 together to domestic crockery items sold in 2016. So imported crockery items in 2014 and 2015. Right? 2014 and 2015 imported item. 72 plus 48. Right? 72 plus 48, that is nothing but 120. Right? To the domestic crockery items. So domestic crockery items in 2016. Right? 2016. Domestic 108. Right? So ratio they are asking. So 120 is to 108. Right? So we can cancel this one by which table? 3 table, 3 30s is a 3 40s a 2 18s a 2 20s a 2 9s a 2 10s a. And directly you can cancel with 12 table also, right? So 10 is to 9 is the correct answer, and that is nothing but fourth option. Clear? Question number 2. Domestic crockery items sold in 2015 and imported crockery items sold in 2016 together is how much less than imported crockery items sold in 2014 and domestic crockery items sold in 2017 together. So domestic 2015 and imported 2016. Right, together. Domestic 2015, imported 2016. 80 plus 56. Right? 80, this is 56. What is total? 136. Right? Is how much less than imported crockery items in 2014 and domestic in 2017. Right? Imported in 2014, domestic in 2017. 72 and then 96. 72 and then 96. What is the total? 168. Right? So how much it is less? What is the answer? 32. So answer is nothing but fifth option. Clear? Now we'll see question number 3. If in 2014 sales of domestic crockery items falls by 12% as compared to previous year, and in 2013 ratio of domestic crockery items sold to imported crockery items sold is 5:4, then find imported crockery items sold in 2013 is what percent of domestic crockery items sold in 2015. So 12%. What is fraction value? 3 by 25. So now I am writing domestic crockery items in 2014 and then 2013. Right? What they are saying? If in 2014 sales of domestic crockery items falls by 12% as compared to 2013. In 2013, if it is 25, now it is 12% less. So it is nothing but 22. Right? And domestic in 2014, what is the value? Domestic in 2014, 132. So this part is 132. How many times? 6 times. This is also 6 times. So what is the answer? 150. All these things should be mind calculation. And the ratio of domestic crockery items sold to is 5:4 when in 2013, right? So I am writing this value 150 in 2013. This value is 5:4, which were domestic and imported. What is the ratio? 5:4, right? 5:4. So domestic 150, that means 5 part is 150, 4 part is 120. So imported in 2013 is 140. Find imported item in 2013. So 120 is what percent of domestic crockery items in 2015? Domestic 2015 80. 42s are 43s are. 1/2 is 50%, 3/2 is 150%. What is the answer? 150%, first option. Clear? Now we see question number 4. Domestic crockery items sold in 2016 and 17 together is what percent more than imported crockery items sold in 16-18 together, right? So domestic in 2016 and 2017, 16 and 17, 108 and 96, 108 and 96. This is how much? 204, right? And then imported in 16 and 18, right? Imported and 16 in 18. Imported 16 and 18. What is the answer? 56 plus 104. 56 plus 104. What is the answer? 160. What percent more? So, right? So first we can directly say difference is how much? 44 by 160 into 100, right? 0 0 gone, 4 4s are, 4 11s are, right? 2 2s are, 2 5s are, 55 by 2. What is the answer? 27.5. Fourth option is the correct answer. Clear? So now we see question number 5. Find the difference between the average of imported crockery items sold in 2017 and 18 and average of domestic crockery items sold in 2015, 17 and 18. So imported in 2017, 18. 2017 and 2018. Imported in 17 and 18. 80 and 104. Okay. 80 and 104. This is how much? 184. Average, so write 2. What is the answer? 92. Right? And domestic average in 15, 17 and 18. Right? Domestic 15, 17 and 18. 15, 17, 18. 80, 96, 136. By 3. Right? Because average is there. So this is how much? 216 plus 96, 312. By 3. What is the answer? 104. So difference is how much? 12. Second option is the correct answer. Clear? So we have completed first set of DI. Now we will see wrong number series. Right? Find the wrong number in the following number series. Right? So directly we can say. So first question, they are saying 6, 18, 36, 144, 720, 4320. Right? Numbers are increasing fast. That means it follows multiplication. This is into 4 times, this is into 5 times, and this is into 6 times. So here it will be into 3 and here it will be into 2. So where is the wrong number? 18. In the place of 18, 12 should come. Right? 18 is the wrong number. Clear? 7th one. 1487 1170 928 803 739 712 704. 1487 1170 928 928, 803, 739, 712, 704. Right? Numbers are nearby. It follows difference logic. Difference is how much? This is 8, 2q, 3q. Right to left means addition, increasing. 2q, 3q, 4q, 5q, 6q. 6q means 8 plus 6, 14. This is the round number. Right? 1170 is the round number. Clear? Now we'll see question number 8. 19, 380, 669, 840, 959, 1008, 1033. Right? So difference logic only. Difference is how much? 361, 19 square, then 17 square, then here 13 square. Right? 13 square. So this is 19 square, 361 plus you are having 669 plus you are having here what difference is there? So that is so these numbers are nothing but prime number, right? 19, 17, what is next number? 13. So here the problem is there, right? 840 is the wrong number. Directly we can say 840 is the wrong number. First option. No need to simplify also, right? Directly we can say it is going with prime number logic, right? Question number 9. 957, 597, 360, 237, 123, 110 and then 9. Right? You see 957 minus 597 is 360. Right? 957 minus 597 is nothing but 360. Which is correct. Again 597 minus 360 is nothing but 237. That is also there. Again 360 minus 237 is 123. That is also there. 237 minus 123 is nothing but how much? 104. So this is the wrong number. So wrong number is nothing but fourth option. 110 is the wrong number. Clear? Now we'll see question number 10. 1764. Right? Directly we can say 42 square, 41 square, here 40 square, this is 39 square, 38 square, 37 square, 36 square. So wrong number is this one. 42 square, 41 square, what about 40 square? 1600. So 1597, first option is the wrong number. Clear? So we have finished wrong number. Now we'll see second set of DI. Right? So we'll see second set of DI. Table given below shows the data of students and teachers of different branches in an engineering college. Study the below mentioned table carefully to answer the following question. Different branches are there: computer science, electrical, mechanical, IT, civil and chemical. Difference between number of students and teachers were there and ratio of number of students and teachers were there, right? So that means here ratio is there, here difference is there. So 12 is to 1, right? So first we'll finish it off this original value of students and teacher also, right? So 12 is to 1 for computer science. So difference is how much? 11. 11 part is 275. So one part is how much? 25. So this is 300. And this is 25. Right? I am writing the original value. Second one, electrical, 15 is to 12. So difference is 13. 13 part is 234. So one part is nothing but how much? 18. So this is nothing but 270 and 36. 270, 31, 13, 13 8s, right? 30 into 9, 270 and 36. Yeah. Okay, so 234 ratio is 15 is to 12. Okay, here. Okay, 270 and 36. Right? Second one. Then third one, mechanical. 21 is to 12. So difference is 19. 19 part is nothing but 228. So one part is nothing but how much? 12. So this is 252 and 24. Right? Fourth one. IT. 19 is to 3. So difference is how much? 16. 16 part is 256. So one part is 16. 38 into 8. 304, right? 304 and 48. Right? Now we see civil. Civil, what is the ratio? 13:4. Difference is 9. 9 part is 126. Right? So 1 part is 14. So this is 13 into 14, 182 and 56. Right? All are mind calculation. Right? Then last one. Chemical. Ratio is 13:1. Difference is 12. 12 part is 168. 1 part is 14. Again 182 and 14. Clear? So now we got the original data of students and teachers. Now we will see DI set. Right? Question number 11. Number of teachers in IT branch is how much more or less than number of teachers in chemical branch? Teachers in IT and teachers in chemical. Right? Teacher. Teacher in IT and teacher in chemical. Teacher in IT and teacher in chemical. 304, 182. Right? How much more or less than this one, right? So we again will see the data. Teachers in IT. Okay, teachers 48 and 14. Sorry, 48 and 14. 48 and 14. Right hand side is nothing but teacher one. What is the difference here? 34. So what is the answer? Third option. Clear? Question number 12. Number of students in mechanical branch is what percent of number of students in computer science branch? Students in mechanical. Mechanical and computer science. Right? Students in mechanical and computer science. Students is mechanical 252 and computer science 300. Right? So they are asking percentage, not percentage more. So 252 by 3. What is the answer? 3 8s are 24, 3 4s are 84%, which is nothing but fifth option. Clear? Question number 13. Find the ratio of number of students in IT and electrical branch together to the number of teachers in IT and electrical branch together. Students in IT and electrical. Students in IT and electrical. IT and electrical 270 and 304. 574, right? Divided by teachers in IT and electrical. Teachers in IT and electrical. Teachers in IT and electrical. 48 and 36, 84. Right? So we can cancel with 14, 14 6 are 14 4s are 56, 41s are 41:6. First option is the correct answer. Clear? Question number 14. Number of teachers in chemical branch is what percent of number of students in mechanical branch? Teachers in chemical. Chemical. So teachers in chemical. What is the value? Teachers in chemical 14. And students in mechanical. Students in mechanical. Left hand side mechanical 252. Right? Is what percent? Right? What percent they are asking? So 14 by 252 into 100. Okay. So 4 25s are 4 6 are 24 3s are 7 2s are 7 9s are. So 50 by 9. What is the answer? 5 by 9%. 5 by 9%, and that is nothing but fourth option. Clear? So we have seen two set of DI and wrong number series in this particular video. So we have completed NIACL 2018 prelims memory based paper. So you can check the level of paper because your ultimate next exam is nothing but NIACL AO only, which is on October 16. So do subscribe TP Chennai YouTube channel for further updates and videos. Prepare well. All the best. Thanks a lot.